Jason Momoa's Los Angeles mansion is not just a regular mansion, but also a full-fledged fun park, which is truly a dreamland for Jason. Despite Jason owning a castle in Atlantis, he also built a $3.5 million mega mansion. But what amazing luxuries does the mansion consist of? And what makes the mansion so unique? Let's find out. There are many rumors about Jason Momoa's luxurious mansion being similar to a fun park, but how much of that is true? Later in our video, we are going to discuss the amazing features of the house and the millionaire lifestyle of Jason Momoa, so stay tuned. Hello and welcome to our channel, The Wealthy Few. In today's video, we are going to give you a peek inside Jason Momoa's $3.5 million mansion, so make sure to watch the video till the end to find out more. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos about the richest people in the world. Famously known as Aquaman, Jason Momoa is an American actor, model, and writer. He was born in Hawaii on August 1st, 1979, and has been a part of many Hollywood blockbuster movies. Many people remember him for his stunning performance as Khal Drogo in HBO's famous series Game of Thrones. But did you know Jason has managed to amass a net worth of $14 million? Jason is one of the hottest celebrities in the world, and his lifestyle is as unique as he is. He has collected some of the world's most luxurious cars, and one of his many vehicles is his Ford RV. He loves the truck so much that he took it to the premiere of Aquaman in 2018. Jason bought the RV for $750,000. Jason Momoa's $3.5 million ultra-luxurious mansion occupies a space of over 10 acres. It's cool just to be at home. It makes everyone feel more relaxed, and you don't have to fake shit. Momoa said about his mansion that comes with tons of privacy. The mega mansion has 6 bedrooms, 10 bathrooms, a personal gym, and a luxurious spa. There are also indoor and outdoor kitchens in the mansion and a large terrace. The exterior of the house consists of spacious lawns and a built-in fire pit. There is also a driveway from the main entrance to the garage. The main floor boasts a formal living room and dining room, each with marble fireplaces, chandeliers, and an indoor rope swing. Does Jason's luxurious mansion also consist of a 25-foot climbing wall and a skateboard ramp? We're about to find out if the rumors about the mansion are true or not, so make sure you watch until the end to find out all the details. Jason has always had a love for skateboarding, so he built a skateboard ramp on his 10-acre property to fulfill his dreams. I've been climbing since I was 14, skateboarding since I was 8. I love the outdoors. Camping. I mean, obviously you saw the Airstreams. I used to live out of that one, he said. Jason has built a 25-foot climbing wall, but do you know the wall has a specific purpose? You will be astonished to hear what it is. On the wall, it's a flow. You're problem solving, creating something. It's the perfect real-world mental and physical test. He said as he explained why he built a 25-foot climbing wall inside his mansion. Inside the house, you will find his amazing collection of guitars, and outside, you'll find his expensive collection of motorbikes. The kitchen has dark wooden cupboards and built-in appliances. You might have seen Jason Momoa unboxing antique axes inside his kitchen, as he has posted some of the pictures and videos on his social media accounts. Jason also said that his wife and kids absolutely love the house. Jason Momoa is one of Hollywood's finest actors, and his mansion is something one can only dream to have. That's all for today, guys. What do you think about Jason Momoa's $3.5 million mansion? Let us know in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll be back soon with more amazing content, so stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our latest updates. Thanks for watching.